Hi everyone. Today is the 20th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this learning series, I daily bring some new word for you. That will be from the news article, from an interview, from the any project discussion. So I try to figure out the best word for you of the day. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the getting new video notification. So today first word is turn around. Turn around means time or solution to fix something very quick. Like we give fast turn around. Another example, fix has a quick turn around. Fix has a quick turn around means it's a sense of the time. Another example, it improved turn around. So you can try to use the turn around. Turn around is a very common during the your corporate discussion about the project or the any normal topic regarding your planning. Next, mired. Mired means stuck, trapped in the difficult situation. This is an advanced word which is used by the fluent speaker very frequently. For example, she got mired in work. It means she got trapped in the work. The company in mired in debt means company trapped in the debt. So in this way you can use the mired. It is an advanced word as I told. Try to make your own sentence on this word. Alignment. Alignment is very common compared to mired and the turnaround. Alignment means agreement or the working on the same goal. It means you try to make the sequence for the achieving the goal. So you can use let's align on the goal means let's align for the goal to how to achieve. So another example, ensure proper alignment with your teammate. We are not aligned means we are not you can say proper plan working proper for the achieving the goal. So in this way you can use the alignment also. Next, sustainability. Sustainability means protecting environment for the long term. If anything you are making planning for the long term, so that places you can use the sustainability like solar energy supports sustainability. Recycle helps sustainability. Company follows sustainability goals. Means long term goal. Next word, adaptability. Adaptability means ability to adjust the to changes like work needs adaptability means you have the flexibility to adopt the environment. Adaptability come from the adopt word. She has a good adaptability means she have ability to good to adjust herself in the new environment or the in the new working culture. So in this way you can use the adaptability. So today five word we learn adaptability, sustainability, alignment, mired, and turnaround. These all five word is very common in the corporate meeting. So anytime you can observe this five word. If is in the normal discussion also you can figure out these all word. So try to make your own sentence. Just assume you are in office or you are in the specific situation with your friends or anyone and try to make the sentence. First you practice all sentences where I mention here and then try to make the your own sentence and try to speak a little bit loud. That will be really helpful for you. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the getting notification. Thank you.